Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your friend's location on Snapchat step by step in a simple and easy way. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once the app opens, you'll be on the main camera screen. Now let's head to the map section. On the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see the map icon. Tap on this icon to open Snap Map. This map shows the locations of your friends, if they've shared them with you. Wait a moment for the map to load properly. After the Snap Map opens, you'll see different Bitmojis on the map. Use a zoom out gesture to view a wider area of the map. This makes it easier to find the friend whose location you want to check. Look around the map carefully. Once you find your friend on the map, tap on their Bitmoji icon. If your friend has live location enabled, you'll be able to see their real-time location. This updates as they move, giving you accurate information. Now, let's see what happens if live location is not enabled. If your friend has not enabled live location, don't worry. Instead of live tracking, Snapchat will show their last active location. This could be from a few minutes or a few hours ago, so you'll still know where they were last seen. So that's how you can easily see your friend's location on Snapchat. Remember, you can only see live locations if your friend has enabled it. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions.